Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to use the S26 Ultra. So as you can see here, this is the new S26 Ultra, and in case you do not know how to use it, this tutorial will break down the process. All right, so of course I'll be showing you some of the key things you must know, especially if you're new to the S26 line of devices. All right, so let's get straight into some of the key features and how to use them. All right, so one of the most important features is um, one of the most important features is the privacy display. So let me show you to use that. So if you check it out, even from an angle, you can actually still see the screen very well. And of course, to activate privacy display, swipe down from your upper right. You're gonna see privacy display. Yours might be a little bit different. I've customized the look of my screen here. I have a separate video on that. So you look for privacy in this area, and then you're gonna tap. Now, if you want basic privacy display, go ahead and turn on this first one here that says turn on privacy display. This is the basic mode, and it's the best one to keep it in. You can see it from the front, but of course, if you turn it to the side, it makes it slightly harder to actually be able to see what's on the display. You can still see though, but it obscures it a bit. Now, to get full privacy display, go ahead and tap and turn on this first one and this second one here. Hit done. And as you can see it from the front, but as you go to the side, you'll notice you can't see anything as it's now obscured and you can't actually read, and that's a full effect of the privacy display. Next thing to note as well, if you do not want this full-on version, go ahead and turn on this one here, top, and you're gonna choose the apps by tapping here in blue and select the apps you want this to work on. So what's gonna happen is as soon as you get a notification from one of these apps, it's gonna actually hide the notification or block out the password field as soon as you're using it. All right, so that's one of the key features to use as a part of the S26 Ultra. Other common tasks to know, your dialer is right here. And of course, you can dial numbers. You can see your recent call history and your contacts right here. You'll have also the Messenger app, which is this one here, which is Google Messages. Samsung Messages is being phased out. So actually Google Messages is the ones that's going to be used. Here we have the default browser, and of course this is Samsung's browser. You can actually use this to browse the internet, or you can install a third-party one such as Brave. You can also use Chrome browser. You can also use for making notes. You can use the note application, and of course there's support for the S Pen, which is a little bit finer this time around. You can actually use it to write on screen. You can draw, or you can make notes or whatever you would want. It's easy to do. And of course, you can save these notes. To snap a picture, or of course, to take a screenshot, which could come in handy, you're going to use volume down and power. And of course, you'll make a screenshot. You can actually edit the screenshot if you want. So you can crop, or you can do whatever you want, and you can actually save a copy, and that copy will be in your gallery. We have the camera right here. There's a bunch of new camera features that you can actually check out. You can get to the gallery also by tapping here. And in terms of photos, you switch to photo mode. You can snap a photo. Or of course, if you want to use the new features that's built into the camera, you can tap right here. And let me show you some of those new features, where to find them. There is the new stability features such as horizon lock. Horizon lock, which is in video mode. So tap here as well, they do change. So if you tap right here, this one is horizon lock. So simply activate. You can actually turn the camera all the way around, and of course the video is going to come out smooth. So just in case you miss it, it's this one. Go ahead and tap to activate, then start recording. Make sure you have adequate lighting. I have a separate video on that, so I won't go back through that. So horizon lock is one of those cool features. You also have auto framing, which basically allows you to be in shot and it will follow you around the room. So if you actually use this feature, especially for vlogging, it will move around the room and follow you without you needing somebody behind the camera. Simply set it as spot, and then once you're in front of the camera, it will work. You can turn it off again there. And right here, this one allows you to do picture in picture in terms of splitting the screen. So for example, you can do 2 modes with a caption cut or half and half. So the choice is yours. Go ahead and select either one, which is small window, or of course giving half to the camera. All right, so those are some of the main features that comes with your phone or your device. To power off, swipe down from the upper right. Right there, you'll see the power button, top, and there's the power menu. Hit power off. Once you hit power off, it will turn off the device, or hit restart. It will restart the device as well. Your notifications is to the left, so swipe down from the left. And all your notifications are going to be here. Those are from apps, or of course any messages and so on that you might have gotten. Swipe down from this side, you'll see your quick toggles. You'll have access to stuff such as your flashlight, airplane mode, which will turn off all the radios in your device. You'll have mobile data here. Wi-Fi can be found here. So if you turn this on and you have Wi-Fi access, you'll actually gain access to the Wi-Fi. You can also long press, then select the network, such as this one, and then enter the password. All right, you can do other stuff. You can expand the screen. Mine is a little bit different because I've changed up the look. And of course, you have quick toggles here to have access to every toggle. All right, so basically that's it as a quick run through of the S26 Ultra and some of the things that you may want to know straight out of the box. If you have any direct questions, you can actually ask them. For new apps, you can go to the Play Store and actually download all the apps that you would want for your device. All right, so that sums up everything. All right, quick run through of the S26 Ultra, and see you in the next one. Bye.